So contest every Monday. It runs all week long. And then on the Monday before we drop another contest, we announce the winner. So if you will have a contest every Monday, and that runs for an entire week, and you give them the instructions that you want them to do. Comment below, tag 2 friends, and share this post, right? Um, so the fun part of that is once a week, they're coming either to your page, they're either seeking you out to either play in your contest because the prize is a free oil change. If you're a dealership, that's generally what I suggest is a free oil change because now you're going to get them into your service department if they have been aftermarketing for a while. So you get to get them back in because we know if they service with you, they're going to buy with you, the majority of them. So contest every Monday. It runs all week long. And then on the Monday before we drop another contest, we announce the winner. We make a post celebrating the winner, telling them, hey, reach out to us, blah, blah, blah. We've got your oil change ready. If you need to schedule it, great. We'll schedule it when you call in. The contests really keep them coming back to you once a week, which means that the majority of the posts that you make from Monday all the way through Saturday or Sunday will pull into their news feed because they keep coming back trying to win that oil change every Monday. So don't discount these. Don't think because it isn't about, I even had a customer that I picked up that we did their social for them and they didn't want this contest to be like this. They wanted it to be automotive focused. And I'm like, no, it's not about you. It's about what do these people want to play with? What will they play with? And if I'm going to go, oh, did you want a Ford Maverick or did you want a Ford F-150? They're not going to play with me because I've narrowed the audience down too far. I really want to play to what they want to play with because tomorrow I'm going to give them the Ford Maverick. Because they played with me today, they're going to see my Ford Maverick tomorrow. So there's always a strategic component to this.